Hello, my dear students of class 12. Students, today I am going to show you some numerical problems regarding capacitor. Actually, it's a circuit problems of capacitor, and you can solve this type of circuit problem using nodal analysis method. So today, students, we're going to discuss about nodal analysis method, how to solve circuital problem using nodal analysis method. Student, it's a best approach. You can apply this method for solving this type of circuit diagram very easily, and it's also time consuming. So without wasting time, students, let's get started. First of all, see the circuit, and what you have to find the charge in all four capacitors. Students, you can solve it with the help of nodal analysis method. So you can find the charge in each capacitor using this method. So see, there is a 10 volt potential, there is a 2 microfarad capacitor, another 2 is a 4, 2, 4 and 10 volt and 5 volt potential. So student, let's find out each point potential how much. See, there is 10 volt, negative sign means you can write here 0, means 0 volt, because negative sign you can assume 0 potential. Here also the same, there is a no capacitor attached, so you can also write 0 at this point. Now 0, then addition of 5 volt, so you can apply here 5 volt, right? And this 5 volt attached with 10 volt, similar way, so 5 plus 10 you can write 15 volt. Am I right, students? Similarly, see, this 15 volt attached with this line, and there is up to this there is no capacitor, so we can write 15 volt also here. After this there is a capacitor 4, so you have to write there another potential, so you can take this is suppose this is x and this is y. So you having 2 point unknown potential, you can take x and y. Now students, create two equations for x and y. Okay, so take the node x and the charge coming to the node x in three way, in this way, in this way and in that way, this way and that way. So you know potential, you know the charge q equal to how much? C into v, capacitor into voltage. So here is the capacitor means C, so you can write 2, capacitor means 2, and here is the potential plus 10 volt. So take x as, because of unknown potential you can think say higher potential than 10. Take it first. So 2 into q equal to how much? CV, total charge is equal to 0. Take at the point x the total charge is equal to 0. Take at the point x the total charge is 0. Take at the point x total charge is 0. So total charge at the point x is 0 means q equal to CV. So C means here 2 and V means x minus 10. Okay, the potential difference between these two, x minus 10. Potential difference between these two, x minus 10. Then plus, so x attached with this 0, so you can write x minus 0 and C here 2, plus x attached with y, so you can write x minus y, and there is capacitor 4, and the net charge q1 plus q2 plus the total charge equal to 0. This is for the node x, for node x. And now for node y, first of all solve it, simplify it. So 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 4x, how much? 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, so 8x, and y means minus 4y, right? Minus 20, so minus 20, so that is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 1. And now for equation number 2, okay, so for y, so in the y, in that y point, so y minus x into 4, so write 4, see y minus x, understood? Y minus x into 4, C into V, C into change of potential V, plus y minus how much? 5, and intermediate capacitor 2, Understood? Plus y minus how much? 15. Intermediate capacitor is 4. Is total charge equal to 0. So 4y plus 2y, 6y plus 4y, 10y. So and minus 4x. So you can write minus 4x plus 10y. 2 into 5, 10, 4 into 15, 60. So 70. So minus 70 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. By solving equation 1 and 2, by solving equation 1 and 2, you getting x equal to 7.5. You can solve it by the simultaneous method, 7.5 volt, or y equal to you actually getting 10 volt. Okay, so this is your x and y. Now you got the point potential x and y. Now what you want? Which capacitor find the charge in all four. So you want to find out the charge. So for capacitor 2. Okay, so for capacitor 2 microfarad, the charge will be how much? The formula of charge for 2 microfarad, how much? Q equal to CV. So C here 2 and V how much? X minus 10. See, x minus 10, put the value x minus 10. So 2 into x means 7.5 minus 10. So see, this is a higher potential, lower potential. So so 10 minus 7. Now you can decide that 10 minus 7.5. So it means the charge how much? 2.5 into 2 means 5 microcoulomb. So that is your answer. Suppose you want to find for 4 microfarad capacitor, how much charge by the 4 microfarad capacitor. So for the charge, for 4 microfarad, how much? So Q for 4, Q equal to how much? CV. So C here C, V means x minus y. So 10 minus 7.5, it means 2.5. So 4 into 2.5 means 10 microcoulomb. So you can find any type of charge against any capacitor with the help of this formula, and it's very easy, student, isn't it? So next, get into the next problem. So problem number 2. Please pause the video and write the whole thing, please, students. Next, number 2, problem number 2. Find the potential difference across VA and VB. So think this is point A and B given in the question, given A and B point given, and you have to find out the potential against AB. So you can solve it with the help of the same method, which is called nodal analysis method. So let's get started. Minus 12. So it means here is 0. Then there is no capacitor. So here also 0. Here is no capacitor. Here also 0. Oh, it means at the point B the potential is 0, right? And there is C plus 12. So you can add plus 12 volt. Here there is a no potential. You can think this is a X point. Okay, so you have to find out and think this is point Y, that you have to find out the potential at point Y to get the potential at point A, because you need to find the potential at point A, means at the point Y. So if you find the potential at the point Y, you will get the answer. Okay, so let's make two equations for this. First of all, for X node, see, same thing you have to done again. So Q equal to CV, C here 2 and V means X minus 12 plus X minus Y, and intermediate capacitor is 2, and here also 4 into X minus 0, right? X minus 0 into 4 is equal to 0. So you are getting 2x plus x, 2x, 4x plus 4x means 8x minus 24. Okay, so minus 24, and y how much? 2y, only 2y. So minus 2y. So this is your equation, right? Okay, so E is equal to 0. So by dividing it by 2, you getting 4x minus y minus 12 equal to 0. So y means how much? 12 minus y 4x minus 12 by 4x minus 12. So 4x minus 12. Okay, again you find out for y. Okay, so from this actually we need x. Okay, to put the value of x in the second equation of y. So okay, for y let's find out for y. So y, there is y minus x into 2. So y minus x into 2, y minus x into 2, then y minus 0 into 4, y minus 0 into 4, and there is no other way. Okay, so equal to 0. So 2y plus 4y, 6y minus 2x, and nothing else, equal to 0. So you need to find out what at the potential at the point A, means y. So y equal to 2x by 6 means x by 3. So let's find out from this equation x and put the value of x here. So x how much? 4x equal to 12 plus y. So x equal to 12 plus y by 4. So put the value 12 plus y by 4 into 3, it means 12. So 12 means 1 plus y by 12. Okay, equal to y. So y here 12, y here 12 by 11 volt. Okay, 12 plus, okay, 12 minus 1, 11 by 12. So inverse it, so it is y equal to 12 by 11. Okay, so it means the potential at point A, you are getting 12 by 11, and you know potential at B is 0. So the potential PD across A and B will be 12 by 11 volt. Right, this is your answer. Okay, next numerical. Please pause the video and copy it. Okay, done. Next, number 3, find the PD across A and B. See student, here is the 2 point A and B, and there is a capacitor 2, and there is a 2 potential 12 and 24, and there is also potential 4 microfarad. First of all, what you have to do? First of all, take 2 and 4 in proper way and attach the potential proper way, like this. If 12 volt, actually current passing from 12 in this direction and from 24 in this direction. So actually the current from 12 and 24 opposing each other. So if you take a single potential, you can write 24 minus 12, because the direction of current opposite to each other. So it means 12 volt, your resultant potential 12 volt, and you can add and the plus minus according to the direction of 24, and you just attach 2 capacitor, number 1 for 2 and number 2 for 4 microfarad, and these 2 capacitor in series. It means what? 4 into 2 by 4 plus 2, you know the formula, the parallel formula of resistance. So 8 by 6, it means 4 by 3. So the total net capacitance is 4 by 3, and net voltage means how much? 12 volt. So you know Q equal to CV. So the total charge Q equal to C how much? 4 by 3, and potential how much? 12. So 3 4s are, it means 8 microcoulomb. So the total charge you getting 8 microcoulomb. Now the total charge 8 microcoulomb means now you have to find out the potential at the point A and B. Okay, A and B. So VA minus VB, potential difference VA minus VB equal to how much? Q equal to CV. Q equal to CV. So V equal to Q by C. So VA minus V means Q by total charge by total capacitance. Capacitor 2, because potential across 2. So VA minus VB is equal to total charge how much? 8. Total capacitance 2. So the answer will be 4 into 4 16. 4 into 4 16. So the total charge is 16 and by 2. So it will be 8 volt. So the answer will be 8 volt. Student understood? I think all of you understood. Please pause the video and think. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much, students.